Happy Friday, everyone. My name is Stan Singh, VP of Product. I'm filling in today for Ryan. Welcome to our latest release features. We'll be sharing updates to our web app, iOS, and Android. So across all platforms, we've actually introduced running timers and work order details. We previously just had this on iOS. Now we have this across Android and web as well. You'll notice these timers in your work order details. As you update the status of your work orders, the timers will adjust accordingly. So exciting feature here to make it easy for you guys to track time. We have also introduced the ability to see your checklist name in your PM list view now. Previously, you could only see the checklist ID. Now you can see the checklist name as well as click on the link to see the actual checklist within that list view. And then last but not least, we've made some improvements to some UX improvements on our web app. With that, I will have our PMs talk more about these features in detail. Again, happy Friday, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Hannah and I'm a product manager here at UpKeep. Today we're going to talk all about timers. As you may remember, a few weeks back we released timers on iOS. Got great feedback around it, and so as of today, running timers on work orders is available for web, Android, and iOS. We try to make it as simple for you as possible, so let me just show you a quick demo. So starting on web, I'm under work orders and I am on the beta toggle because this is the version that is supported. So I'm going to go and open up a work order. And I can either, on this page, I can start the timer or I can just change the status. So I'm just going to change the status to in progress. And when I go in progress, the timer will automatically start on the work order. So you'll see the timer has started and the timer is now running. And then I may need to go on a hold for a variety of reasons. Maybe I'm grabbing a part or I'm going on lunch break. So when you go on hold, we'll ask you what you want to do with the timer. In this case, I'm going to say, yes, I would like to stop the timer. And then the timer will stop. 17 seconds recorded. The total time will be recorded here. So that's the total time elapsed. And then let's say I'm going to go back into progress so that the timer goes back into running. So now the timer runs again. And then when I'm all done, I can just hit complete. And then the timer will stop running automatically. And so that is what it looks like on web. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you really quickly what it looks like on mobile. So I am under my mobile homepage. I'm just going to go open up a work order. And then from here, I can start working directly, or I can go ahead and change this status into in progress. As you'll see on the bottom right here, the timer is running. You can hit stop whenever. And then when I go back to the home page, under suggested work orders, you'll see the work order with the current running timer. And this is going to be the most recent timer that you have started. This is available on iOS and Android. It was only available on iOS previously. So I'll click into it, open it back up. Again, if I change the status to on hold, it'll either ask me to stop or continue the timer. In this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and complete the work order. And then the time recorded, 36 seconds. And then when I click and open up the time, I'll be able to see all of the time that I have spent on the work order. And that is all. That is timers on work orders for web, Android, and iOS. Please play around with it and let us know how we can make it better for you. Thank you so much.
Hey everyone, my name is Spencer. I'm a senior product manager here at UpKeep and want to share a quick little update for you all on preventive maintenance. Now in the preventive maintenance list, when you see sort of this checklist column, we're going to display the checklist name here as opposed to the checklist ID. This should just help give you more insight at a glance into what exactly is going on with this particular preventive maintenance trigger, what checklist is attached. And if you click this, it will go ahead and open up that checklist page in a new tab. Please let us know what you think about this. Let us know how you'd like us to continue, iterating on preventive maintenance. Pretty soon we're going to have some exciting updates around the UI for creating new PMs. So keep an ear out for that, and let us know what else we can do to help make your life easier on preventive maintenance. Thanks.
Hello, I am Eliseo. I'm a product manager here at UpKeep, and I'm very excited to go over some new improvements we've been making, specifically with making information easier to discover at a glance. Why don't we just go ahead and jump right into it? The first improvement that we've made is with the ability to filter through locations. We've made it even easier to filter through parent and children locations. You can get a parent location and select it with it collapsed, and it'll automatically select all the children underneath it. You can expand to view, or you can select individually. You can apply the changes, and you'll see and filter through the parent and children locations that you want to review the work orders for. Additionally, we've included a new column that is configurable for closeout notes. So now you have the ability to review the closeout notes at a glance. You can modify this table so you can view more information however you like, and have that information at a glance for the work orders that have been closed. Can't wait for you to try this out. Thank you.